Hello guys, and welcome back to another Fat Jeeps video. I hope everybody's doing wonderful and safe. Today guys, we're going to be switching out the grill. We're going to be changing it now to a Demon grill. So today's video is going to be sponsored by American Modified, so go check them out guys. Everything's going to be in the description below. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so for today's install, we're going to need a very special tool. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. Alright guys, so this is the box the grill comes in. So we're gonna grab our special tool or knife if you want. And let's open up everything that comes in the package. You have your new grill, you have your seal, and of course new hardware. Guys, this grill is no joke. It is outstanding. The quality on it is amazing. It's not flimsy, it doesn't feel like plastic. It feels very good. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna be doing is installing the new hardware on the new grill before we start removing the other one. Alright guys, so once you put all the clips, we're going to be ready. Now guys, I recommend waiting for the adhesive for last so you could align it correctly with the hood. Alright guys, so now for the next step, you're going to need our very special tool. And what you're going to be doing is removing these 6 push-in pins. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Grab our special tool. Pick up, just like that. Oops. Thank God they provided us with new ones. Alright guys, so after you've removed all 6 push-in clips, what you're going to want to do is pull the grill towards you. Guys, just to let you guys know, some of the clips might break. It is plastic. So the good thing is that American Modified does provide you with new hardware. So really happy on that. Alright guys, so what you're going to want to do now is pull towards you. It's okay if you hear that. It's not broken. Alright guys, so now the next step, I recommend you remove the turn signals or the side markers. Now, the actual housing will remove it outside. So it's a lot easier and we don't break anything. Just like that. And that's it. Put that aside. Alright guys, so now we're going to be removing the side marker or turn signal bezel. And all you need to do is push in that little pin. There's 2 of them. Push in one side, just like that, and just like that. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. They are marked. So this is the right side, and that is the left side. So what we're going to do now is lift up the grill. Put this under. This is the passenger side, right side. And then bear with me, I'm doing one hand. You're gonna push upwards. Just like that. Alright guys, so once they are installed, we're gonna be installing it on the Jeep. Installing the new grill, we're literally gonna do everything the same, but just going backwards. So the last thing we did was remove the turn signals. We're gonna be putting them back on. Make sure you hear that clip. Just like that. Alright guys, so now when installing the new grill, you're going to want to make sure everything aligns. We're going to do that. Push upwards, just like that. And push now the bottom towards the Jeep. You hear everything's clipping. This side, perfect. There's going to be a clip in this area, so make sure you... There you go. Alright guys, so once everything's aligned perfectly, we're going to be installing now the new push-in pins. Just like that. Alright guys, so once the grill's put in, the lights, everything's connected, all the clips, 6 push-in pins. The next thing we're going to do is close the hood and install the new strip above. All right, guys, so I already see how the hood aligns with the grill. I already marked it, so now I'm going to be installing the strip. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. And man, it makes the Jeep look so much more aggressive. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, any tips, just comment down below. Also guys, go check out American Modified. They have a big selection on Jeep parts, so check them out. Everything's in the description below. Guys, follow me on Instagram at Fat Jeep so you guys can participate on the giveaways and see the sneak peeks. Also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, stay safe.